Welcome to the heart of Mariental, Namibia, where rhythm meets culture and unity echoes through every beat. On the 21st of June 2025, we celebrated World Music Day with electrifying performances from our incredible local artists. From soul-stirring vocals to powerful traditional beats, this event brought our community together in a spectacular fusion of sound and celebration. So sit back, turn up the volume, and enjoy the show. And don't miss a second, because the grand finale is something you'll want to experience to the very end.
Nog medisale broeder, nog officiële lijnen met de different game. So of different levels, at the time of for real. Ons doen het op different stages. From us to father, time of the of switching. Hoe dit op de dag en nacht. Was het van de samenkaart, dat het in die tijd. Shandons en die RSB, call het OTG. Hou van flex me broer, Stel je zien, stel je naar de kanaal. Glas en laten hier, nodig niet een speel. Op het strategie, wakker en verzag nog steeds zijn plaats. Zoals hij zijn reis, futures the bright. Hoe zijn die aan de reis me broer? Die RSB, survival van een bandenstap. Toen we die laat gaan, voor de versie van die natie. Die laat gaan niet, dat is misschien van Soitje. Nog minder set en sans. Ik ben zo.
And it's something more than gold. I got someone in my life. He captured my heart, he captured my soul. I just wanna spend my time with you. All day long, me and you, we rendezvous. We rendezvous. See this love that I feel for you. Only you fit to me like you do. I will make my melodies to you. Oh, I will sing my new songs unto you, and I will bless the Lord, oh my soul. Hey, all that is within me, yeah. And I will bless the Lord, oh my soul, and all that is within me, yeah. Now listen, you crown me with your love and mercy, so high, the price you paid for me, so fire. You again, you were kind, faithful all the time, one of a kind. My past you left behind, you mesmerize me, entice me. I'm the apple of your eye. Bless the Lord, oh my soul. I will bless the Lord. Oh.
Are you ready to entertain? Are you ready to bless these people?
Guy.
My Lord, I wrote you a story. Didn't even do it. I use you. It's like I love you. I'm a Sadu Hadarante. I don't want to use you. Demons, I don't want to abuse you. Abuse you. I told you. Salute I get that to see that disability day. Salute I get that to see my AKG day. Salute I get that to see that Huna DD day. Let's go. Body you know. I love you. You need shade. Kuyuva kolo kolo. Kuyuva kolo kolo. Kuyuva kolo kolo. Kuyuva kolo kolo. Gebina kutega. Gebina kutega. Gebina kuyega. Kuyuva waka. Mariental.
Sure. Maybe make some noise. Sure. Okay, check it. Fill out the chicken in the face, in the face, what you mean, you celebrity girl. Sure. I got an hoodie, nigga hoodie, got an hoodie. Sure. Okay, sure. If I do good, I feel post to the cheese in the air, and not funny, she doesn't exist. The movie says, but he's gonna kill what you mean. Check out. Check out.
Never thought that it would come, you know, being by my side. You were supposed to be my right eye, early in the time. What's up with the breakup? You really caught me off guard. What happened to the pinky promise? What you pretend when you weren't in on it? This hurt is sky too deep, still I breathe. Thought of you makes it hard for me to heal. Every moment passes slow-mo. Reminiscing about the times you and I were close. Yes, the road ahead I had to face it now. It's really painful, but I can't blame you. I'm gonna be grateful. Every moment that we had, it was special. But the way you left got my feelings grateful. do. Even though I'm sad, I wish the best for you. Go ahead and do your thing. I can't lie that I won't miss you, but I gotta leave you and deal with my feeling issues. I can't lie that I won't miss you, but I gotta leave you and deal with my feeling issues. Every day and night I kept thinking over. Road ahead, am I gonna be alone now? I'm all in my feelings. I'm all in my feelings. Every day and night I kept thinking over. Road ahead, am I gonna be alone now? I'm all in my feelings. I'm all in my feelings. So much so that I even fell in a pool of alcohol. Now I realize it wasn't even worth it all. Had I known my journey further was alone, I'd be better prepped, no to stumble on stones. Work it out just to add some muscle up on bone. Damn, you don't know the.
And I'm aiming for the blue sky. No limits, I'ma do it till the day I die. Nothing gonna take my speed with life. I don't need no wavy vibe. My mind go bigger than the fight. Don't need the most love unless you right. Nothing take my speed with life. I don't need no wavy vibe. My mind go bigger than the fight. Don't need the most love unless you right. Jumping with this from my both feet. Not looking back like a donkey. They don't call me Cage no more. I think I know some pros. Masters in my class and there's nothing you can tell me. I'm the master in the class and nothing really scares me. Other than to lose my spirit, I don't care about.
Ayoba. Fernandes row. I'm a blesser. God is better. Like your father. I'm a blesser. God is better. God is better like your father. Es tu poder que me blessa. Es tu poder que me blessa. Die changes sa pula pasitavan. Die kleres kijk naar de boek en gaan. Vergeet nou die kan ergens toe. Likes my dream, likes my style, likes that you got on this land. Likes my dream, likes my style, likes that you got on this land.
Jungle, ladies and gentlemen.
Baby, you ain't China. Wazo she chagangaga. Mina now where we used to flow like a river to the sea. We would agree in everything. Baby, you ain't China. Wazo she chagangaga. Mina now where we used to flow like a river to the sea. We would agree in everything. So go habanagana nani bako. Mina now season slowly finding. Mina now season lalilani. Baby, you went in Janina. Solo go habanagana nani bako. Mina now season slowly finding. Mina now season lalilani. Baby, you went in Janina. Baby, you went in Janina. Wazo she chagangaga. Mina now where we used to flow like a river to the sea. We would agree in everything. Ba 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 ba. Sanosa. Wazo she chagangaga. Mina now where we used to flow like a river to the sea. We would agree in everything. Ba 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 ba. Sanosa. Ungalable la ba ba. Abasi baseli obuteli. Bachabala sichaba kanjalo. Sanosa. Ungalable la ba ba. Abakabangise ontaba zabantu. Solo habanagana nani bako. Mina now season slowly burning. Mina now season lalilani. Baby, you went in Johnny.
Just go fix your shit, you will be a change. Make that thing go and flow, so you know what your face. Can't need the feeling, but keep it at the open stage. You know how to change, you see like it take every way. But it for you fool to see it. Say you don't take the stage, you feel it flipping. Same. The scene knows all you are still a clumpy pain. Every time you're not here, you feel to explain. I said, keep me like a vision, you be the cuss. What the bees only a grab on us on the list. So do you see what we say? What it is, but unless a penny meal, the face I say yes. I said, keep me like a vision, you be the cuss. What the bees only a grab on us on the list. So do you see what we say? What it is, but unless a penny meal, the face I say yes. Say,
God may be an ababa.
Say,
God may have a cover. Say, God may preach for evil.
Say,
Soak you on my liver.
Say,
God may be an ababa.
Say,
God may leave a cover.
Say,
God my fish for eater. Soak you on my liver.
Ek wil julle Jackson ek wil reminis. Wil as ek kom ek proef dat liefde is. Ek pretty wings, net omdat jy engel is. Listen, as jy dink dat jy iemand beter is. As jy so weet, oulik en intelligent. Wat jy kort as 'n browser, 'n origin. Wat ek kan vashou sit, as jy net is pretend. Jy speel, wat ek kan taste maar sonder rent. Miss Melissa Soya, even said, my princess, you wish is mine. Comment, my best friend, by wie ek kan gaan wen. Wees jouself van die begin tot die eind. Vertel my jou sterkpunte en geheime. Insecurities jy sien en ek vertel jou myne. Jou toekomsplanne en ek maak het myne. Maar alles weet as jy net binne en buite. As ek hier met ek kan wees, ek kus. Moet die dies ook nie begrawe my journalist. Sal doen dus ek op die see en hoor die huis was. Alles het nie meer, nie dat wees ek serieus. As ek hier met ek kan wees, ek kus. Moet die dies ook nie begrawe my journalist. Sal doen dus ek op die see en hoor die huis was. Alles het nie meer, dat wees ek serieus. Say,
Got my Biana Piaba. Got my lava Quava. Got my fish for eater. Soak you on my liver. Got my Biana Piaba. Got my liver Quava. Got my fish for eater. Soak you on my liver.
maka mababos, at si may naas. At ik ben jak keer wanneer ze mij mis. Plus, jak een moment wat ze happiest. En onthou dat ek net jou na is. Te sien ek by jou vat. Op een date, spend tijd gesaad met jou favorite milkshake. Die gevoel wat ek krijg hier as ek een rook het. Op besef neem seker maar ek is nog gehoord. Ons alleen met de playlist van Dylan Caesar. Of een ramgootje sien voor when it gets deeper. Sy moet verstaan, baby girl, jy's a keeper. Ek is hier vir fun time, te sien een paar minuten. Salute. Selfs beweeg. Familie, julle moet nader staan by Dena. Julle ken Dena. Let's move. DJ zeker nou gooi.
Julle allemaal kent Diana.
Wat
Maar ek is lief vir jou. Hoe gaan ons stap?
Hulle is lief as het gevoel, dis die twee mense. Wees lief van met so wat. En gedachte, net jy moet dit doen vir die eeuwe ander mense. Maar doen het vir liefde my bro en doen het lekker. Sit ek in jou braas last. Klink een bykie lousy maas vaans. Jou trek een nader en soen nou op een voetbal van. En sê jy baby girl, sê jy is my aas. Dis dit woorde.
Yes. Like life around you. It's lost. Chevrolet J lost. If you snooze, you lose.
Come, DJ.
And that brings us to the end of an unforgettable celebration of sound and soul here in Mariental. A massive thank you to all the talented local artists who lit up the stage and to everyone who came out to support the spirit of music. Music is the heartbeat of our culture, and today it brought us all together. If you enjoyed this celebration, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more amazing content from Namibia's vibrant music scene. Until next time, keep the rhythm alive and let the music play on.